First top headlines. Cyclone Biparjoy weakens and enters Rajasthan after landfall in the Gujarat's coastal areas. Prime Minister Modi should save Manipur first, says Supriya Srinath. ELITETV Arun Kumar distributed exercise books and other items to the students at relief camp. Curfew relaxed till 5 p.m. in Nepalese and West District. Hello, welcome to ELITETV's 3 p.m. English News. I'm your host, Deemita. Now the news in detail. Cyclone Biparjoy, which made landfall in the Gujarat's coastal areas, has now weakened into a deep depression and is expected to weaken further into a depression in the next 12 hours, in the Meteorological Department IMD has said. As per IMD, the cyclonic storm weakened into a deep depression at 11:30 p.m. on Friday over southeast Pakistan. Cyclone Biparjoy has entered Rajasthan as a deep depression. Due to its effect, heavy rains accompanied by strong winds are occurring in many districts of the state. Rainfall with strong winds continues in Barmer, Jodhpur, Sirohi, Jalore, Pali and Jaisalmer districts of the state. Apart from this, many other districts including Bikaner, Churu, Sikar, Nagaur and Junjunu are also receiving light to moderate rains. The Meteorological Department has issued a red alert for extremely heavy rainfall with strong winds in Pali, Barmer, Sirohi and Jalore districts today, June 17. Apart from this, an orange alert has been issued for Jodhpur, Nagaur, Udaipur, Rajsamand, Bhilwara and Ajmer districts. There are chances of rain with strong winds in some other districts as well. IMD has asked for a total suspension of fishing operations over the northeast and adjoining Central Arabian Sea. It urged for judicious regulations of offshore and onshore activities. Meanwhile, Gujarat Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel yesterday held a high-level meeting in the State Emergency Operations Center to review the situation in the affected districts. Commissioner of Relief Alok Pandey said, under the guidance of the Chief Minister and the coordination between concerned departments, the state was braced for facing the cyclonic effects and has not reported any casualties till now. As part of its strategic and advanced planning, Gujarat government relocated more than 1 lakh citizens to safer places. He said that this is one of the largest evacuations in Gujarat's history and saved thousands of lives after facing a natural calamity for almost 5 days. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar will confer into the 4th National Water Awards in New Delhi today, June 17. The Jal Shakti Ministry has announced a total of 41 winners covering 11 categories, including joint winners for the 4th National Water Awards 2022. Each award winner will be conferred with a citation and a trophy as well as cash prizes. Madhya Pradesh will be awarded the first prize in the Best State category. In the Best District category, the award will be given to Ganjam District of Odisha. The Best Village Panchayat Award will be presented by Jagannathpuram Village Panchayat, Badhadri Kothagudem District of Telangana. As part of the ongoing nationwide drive to realize the government's vision of water prosperous India, the award focuses on encouraging the good work and efforts made by various individuals and organizations. It seeks to create awareness among people about the importance of water and motivate them to adopt best water use practices. MLA of Wankhai Assembly Constituency T.H. Arun Kumar today distributed exercise books, pens and pencils to the relief camp opened at Government Dance College Palace Compound, Emphalis. Speaking to media persons, MLA Arun Kumar said in consultations with the Department of Education as free education will be provided at the relief camp.
Government na paikalapagi matungina lakadoriba Tier 21 dagidi classing hagdongnaba aduga maruina hauji relief camp da laiba angangsing sida makhoi ke chanaba mana tamjariba class tuga mari lainana education department ka khushamnarakanda aikogi laising asi free of cost ta ko yenthokchabani adugi makha tarakpada amuk hairiba angangsing asi aikogi leijariba anakpada magi convenient oiba jaga sinda school singda free of cost su aiko muk hojiki angang sing asi laik tamhan jagadorbani aiko na haijarubada dance college se director na yabidna angang sing asi ki tongan relief camp gi leiba jaga si natana atopa jaga room sing tongan ba separate room sing pibina angang sing si laik tawgi dong chaw su ko pibire loina na relief camp si da koi tongan ba section dagi mateng kya pamgi ri medical ki site ki so koi mateng pambi tana ngasi relief camp si da leiba ana ai thoktana ba koi padana matam ti lakpidana doctor sing lakpidana semo gi makhada doctor sing lakpidana koi na ing sing jari tongan pa facility mayam hoi hona jari
5 days annual community contact and extension program organized by DM College of Teacher Education DMCT concluded yesterday. During the program, relief material were distributed to the Yaibile Children Home Janims Relief Committee, Praja Higher Secondary School, Kakching Higher Secondary School and Wabugai Higher Secondary School. Moreover, prayed to God to bring peace and normalcy in the state, led by Coordinator Associate Professor K.H. Dinesh, along with trainees, teaching and non-teaching staff of the college. UNESCO Manipur, in collaborations with the Meitei, today distributed various items at different relief camps at Sugnu and Tangjing. The relief materials were raincoat, torchlight, medicine and other edible items. Speaking to media persons, President S. Chauba said distribution of relief materials will be continued at different other relief camps.
Puzaraiba posai sing asi we Meitei hojai haibaduna mateng pangbirakpa aduga UNESCO ga khusamnaraga mafam sida koi ngasi gi mege ohumdagi hokna lalan thangrakpada Meitei praja sing ngaktuna leiba awaba tarba sininaw marmo pami damata mateng pangba laksabani makata na we Meitei hojai na makata na su mateng pangine haina akoi kataki rei madugi damakta thagat.
National People's Party NPP cautioned the party will be compelled to review whether to go along with the present state government if it fails to bring back normalcy at the earliest. National Vice President Y. Joy Kumar to the state media at the state party office located at Uripok Narimthong yesterday. He further said NPP had already declared its stance for the party will not compromise on territorial integrity of Manipur at any cost. The party had already submitted a memorandum to the Union Home Minister regarding the present crisis in Manipur and urged to bring back normalcy at the earliest, he added. He also said, as per reports, some Kuki militants under the supervision of operations are involved in the crisis. When the SHU agreement was signed with the central government, it was mentioned that if the militants under SHU agreement violate the ground rules, then the state and the central forces will take stringent action against them, he said. Reacting to fresh violence in Manipur, Congress spokesperson Supriya Srinath said that the situation in the state is worsening and that the BJP doesn't seem to care about it. She further said that PM Modi should serve Manipur first, then he would talk about Akhanda Bharat. He added, over 40 days have passed, 103 people died and 60,000 people are displaced. And now let's take a short break. Stay tuned for more updates.
welcome you all to UNACO College, Kongman Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational college offering both BA and BAc courses. UNACO College will be affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. First academic session will begin in July 2023. Hurry up! Registrations and admissions open for 2023-24 academic session.
Diabetes ka loina na hinglibusing tha amagi manungda fahanba ngamle. Khong hamba nungai tabasu namit mga nigi manungda fahanba ngamle. Piles haibadi nungsang nabasu chama da chama fahanba ngamle. Cholesterol wangba namit kunida normal oina lehenba ngamle. BP wangbasu tha amagi manungda normal da lehenba ngamle. Umnamak natural oiba anoba hidak makal singna laying jabani. Haksang da sokadaba side effect amata leite. Makatana hidak chabagi mathausu tararoy. Ako pamorol gidamak nga si maglengsin biro Diabetes Hospital, Jennings Road near Punjab National Bank, Porompat.
Admission open, admission open. Manipur ki mapanda satrabasu yaraba best quality education ga loinana Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science pangai. Manipur University da affiliated toba Indian Nursing Council amadi Pharmacy Council of India na recognized tawraba college asida chaliba academic session asigi akagnaba sit masingi admission hozare. Coursing adudi BSc Nursing, Diploma in Pharmacy, Bachelor of Pharmacy, BSc Forensic Science, BSc Radiology and Imaging Technology, BSc RIT, BSc Medical Laboratory Technology, BSc MLT, Amadi, BSc Operation Theatre Technology Operation, BSc OTT, Hariba coursing asigi scholarship ki kudong saba su pangbigani, Amadi, meritorious students singi oiba tongan ba kudong saba mayam amalegani. Ako pamorol gidama 9856575163. College address Pangai opposite MPTC da lengbidaktuna ngasimak kudong saba silawiu.
40 years of trusted diagnostic service, Babina Diagnostics.
Welcome back again. You're watching ELITETV's 3 p.m. English News. Over 40 Indian origin medics, business leaders and community champions are among those on UK King Charles' first birthday honour list. Those on the list include Dr. Parinder Kaur Ali, Professor Prokhar Dasgupta, Anuj Chande, Hina Solanki, Valbir Mohan Bhalla, Rakesh Chauhan, Kailash Malhotra, Varbir Dhillon and Kuldeep Singh Dhillon among others. The list has been released by the UK government. Young people in China are quitting their high-paying jobs for blue-collar roles like waiter and cashiers for mindless menial work and a better sense of satisfaction. According to Business Insider, they have been sharing pictures and videos on social media with the hashtag #MyFirstPhysicalWorkExperience. This trend has gained popularity in China despite record-high youth unemployment rates. American chip maker Micron Technology is close to an agreement to invest $1 billion to $2 billion towards setting up a semiconductor packaging factory in India, reports said. The deal is likely to be announced during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the US next week. The development comes after Micron on Friday pledged to invest $600 million more in its Chinese plant. Following withdrawal of 2,000 rupees notes from May 23rd, cash with public as on June 2nd is down to 83,243 crore as compared with cash with public as on May 18. Currency in circulation as on June 2nd and May 19 was 32.88 lakh crore and 33.71 lakh crore respectively. Currency with RBI as on June 2nd was 14.03 lakh crore. And now let's take a short break again. Stay tuned for more updates.
Admission Open, R&T Institute and Aviation Academy के लाकदोरिब session 2023-24 के admission हौजरे Institute as the Ministry of Corporate Affairs Government of India na well recognized तौरबा amadi 5-year service complete ओइरबा Manipur da amata ngairaba Air Hostess Training Institute amani class 12 pass तौरबा mahiroi singna tungi afaba career amadi aviation industry da changningba singna ming chanbiba yaragani male and female punna apply tauba yaraba 10 to 15 years flying experience later trainer singna train tauriba 100+ students placement pikraba institute asida tongan ba course sing khudong chaba lecture course sing atudi international air hostess training airport operation and staff training ground handling loina soft skill career counseling interview skill spoken english and hindi grooming guest lecturer session resume making mock interview service classes first aid interview preparation zumba class swimming class amadi airport visits institute asiki staff single loinana placement assistance ki damag infal amadi atopa state sing da su khudong chaba pizari khudong chaba sing asiki damag 12 standard loiraba students singna institute asida lakpiduna akupa marol tanabiu amadi online inquiry ki damag contact number asida call tawbiduna tanabiu 7005970470 natraga 8132092225
SS Career Solution na chahi tara hena khunai sida leiriba naharol singbu achumba sinfam ama khangjanabagi khudong chaba du mapung fana pina bagi damak specialized oiraba team kaya semduna angang singbu nauringai dagi khoiga chanaba sinfam gi maramda singna mari makhong taktuna afaba khunai ama oiraknaba hona duna ngasi fawbala Career Solution amagi chap chana guidance thiba haibasi arriba dinate adubu ipurgedi thoina nungsa thiningai oitre SS Career Solution na akaknaba plan amadi expertise singa putsinduna sacha khaknatana community level dagi hauraga adom gi paidagi chanaba sinfamadu mai pakna chatnanaba same sagani aikhuigi mamal yamlaba naha singbu tungge chuwalambe lamada lamjing haurasi SS Career Solution na piriba khudong chaba singasi khopna khanta haurasi
Admission Open Central Academy Khabam Sumraithong Manipur laiba CBSE da affiliate toba khwaidagi phaba school singi manungda ama oiriba Central Academy Khabam Sumraithong Manipur Kumsi Sahigi Class 9 gi akaknaba sit khara amasung Class 11 Science Arts ani asigi mingjanba hojare School asi yamna mayon chumna fagalakliba National Thaki Award kaya puthokliba makal makha kaya gi state and national level competition da gold medalist amadi prize winner puthokliba school ni leibaki awabada saruk yaba oina Class 9 gi di admission fee amasung tuition fee lodana lemna mingjanjagani Class 11 gi oina AISSE 2023 amadi ISSLCE 2023 da 90 PC amasung masigi mathak phangba angang singi damak admission tuition fee lodabatan natana textbook su lemna pizagani smart class ka loinana angang singna lairik pagadaba matamda tuition chatpagi hainabi thadok hananaba strict oina class tawgani khangdriba fawba takpigani leibaki irangi awaba nangliba singidi aikhoina ngamjaba thakta mateng pangjagani Class 11 gi admission fee lupalising manga loinana prospectus lupachani punna lupalising manga chani khaktani akopa moral gi damak school gi office ta tanabiu
Imphal East District ki oina Higher Secondary Examination 2023 da percentage masing khwaidagi wangna First Division da pass tauba Royal Academy of Science Wangkhayamadi Kongbagi Class 11 Science 2023-24 da tamnaba admission process hauzare ahan by admission tauba satra chamada textbook lemna fanghangani loinana admission fees lupalishing taruk oigani bus amasung van service na chingbaga loinana hostel facility su leigani akupa marol gidamak Royal Academy of Science ki Wangkhay office da lakpiu.
Welcome back again. You're watching ELITETV's 3 PM English News. Curfew has been relaxed till 5 p.m. in Imphal East, West, Kakching and Bishnupur districts. However, Thoubal district has extended till 8 p.m. In Kangpopi, curfew relaxed from 5 a.m. to 3 p.m. However, no curfew relaxation at Suknu and Sero areas. Markets and the shops are open during the curfew relaxation. People were seen rushing to the markets and the shops to buy essential items. Normal traffic was observed on the roads. Elon Musk on Friday said his brand chip startup Neuralink could carry out its first human trial later this year. The startup plans to implant a tetraplegic or paraplegic person, Musk stated. Last month, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration gave clearance to the startup to conduct human clinical trials. Neuralink is reportedly facing probes over its handling of animal experiments. In the Indonesia Open Badminton Tournament, India's H.S. Pranoy will take on top seed Victor Axelsen of Denmark in men's singles semi-finals at Jakarta today, June 17. 7th seed Pranoy defeated Japan's Kodai Naroka 21-18, 21-16 in a quarter-final match yesterday. In men's double, the Indian pair of Satwik Sairaj Ranki Reddy and Chirag Sethi will face the South Korean unseeded pair of Kang Min Hyuk and Seojung Jae in the semi-finals. 7th seed Sadvik Sairaj and Chirag defeated the world #1 Indonesian combination of Muhammad Ran Ardinto and Fazar Alfian by 21-13, 21-13 in a clash of the last 8 yesterday. For ELITETV News Channel, contact to the email address info@elitetv.in or 9402890982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. And now let's take a look at the headlines once again. Cyclone Biparjoy weakens and threatens Rajasthan after landfall in Gujarat's coastal areas. Prime Minister Modi should save Manipur first, says Supriya Srinath. MLA TH Arun Kumar distributed exercise books and other items to the students as relief came. And curfew relaxed till 5 p.m. in Imphal East in the West District. And that's all for now. For more updates, keep watching ELITETV English News. Thank you and have a great day.